My name is Lisa Wad. I live in Detroit, Michigan, and I'm the founder and owner of Pot & Box. Flower House is an art project that I created. I bought an abandoned house here in Detroit, and in October, for just 3 days, florist friends of mine and I are going to fill all 15 rooms with fresh flowers and living plants, all American grown. I just want as many people as possible to experience what it's like to walk through a house just filled with flowers and plants, the walls and ceiling, and probably some floors. And after the project is over, we'll be responsibly deconstructing the house. And then we'll use the land for a flower farm for Pot & Box. Once I had the house, I went in and took some measurements and did a little drawing and made some blueprints. We started thinking about how many flowers we would need to fill those rooms and reached out to wholesalers that we worked with already, and everyone is really so excited about the project. There are so many little details when you have this big dream that you don't think that it's made up of 1,000 little details. No, 1,000,000 little details. The goal is to have it look like it's this kind of wild, overtaken place. It'll be lots of secret hardware, strings, nails, chicken wire, and that kind of thing to hold the flowers. We chose the fall because we wanted the temperature to be a little lower, kind of like a natural cooler. If it were in August, we'd see flowers wilting instantly. Some of the flowers, if they're sturdier, we'll just pop them in. And some of the flowers, if they're a little more delicate, we can do water tubes or even staple gun some vases to the wall. People come over and inquire what's happening here and why we're hauling buckets of flowers inside of an old house. They are overjoyed to hear that house will come down, and I think it's just kind of icing on the cake that there'll be a flower farm there that'll be a really nice addition to the neighborhood. My dream is that there are flower farms on every vacant lot in Detroit. So when I went to the city auction, the house next door was also up. We decided that we would do a little preview event, so when I told people we were going to fill a house with flowers, they would know what we're talking about. At the preview event, I don't think any of us or anyone who attended had ever seen anything like that. I would look at someone walking in for the first time, and to see that joy, that's why I'm doing the project. I think something happened somewhere in this project where it became this kind of symbol. It kind of explodes my heart a little bit. It is just so exciting that this kind of floral installation obsession thing turned into something that means a little bit more than just art or flowers.